functional shovel to protect you in this dangerous world. Get ready to test yourself when survival is calling with BAHA. Every specialized tool you need for non-urban life in one shovel. Easy to use, easy to adapt. Dig and smile. Chop. Hammer. Cut down. Screw and cut metal with eternal pleasure. Equip yourself to survive the moment. In any place, in any wild conditions, on the ground, underwater, and on the road, BAHA will save your life and solve any life problem. BAHA.
Are you tired of blisters caused by moist feet on the trail? Is your nose exhausted from the hideous smell wafting from your feet? Are your socks always slipping down, making walking uncomfortable and painful? You're not alone. More than 85% out of 400 hikers we surveyed say moist feet are their #1 problem on the trail. We've designed a sock that prevents blisters through gentle compression that keeps the sock in place. A dual layer mix of merino wool on the inside and nylon and spandex on the outside. The merino wool inner layer pulls moisture away from your foot, and the nylon spandex outer layer beads up the moisture, allowing it to evaporate and dry quickly. On the inside, we infused the merino wool with silver yarn. Why silver? Silver ions attack bacteria at the source, preventing it from growing in moist environments. Bacteria is the leading cause of blisters and foot odor. No smell, no slippage or moving around, and no blisters. Just silky smooth comfort all around.
There's just a slight compression to them, which is nice. Yeah, I'd run in these. I know that these would hold up during the course of a 15 to 25 hour run. I know good socks when I feel them. These are good socks.
I get irritation very easily. I don't feel any irritation from this pair of socks. Awesome.
The compression feels really good, very secure. I could hike for a very long time in these, not get fatigued, not get tired. My feet still feel good, still feel fresh after a long hike.
Hi, I'm Ralph, the founder of Ventury. I love to hike and run on trails, but I often had problems with my socks not being up to the task. I'd finish hike with blisters, wet and smelly feet, and after using my socks for a while I would even start to have holes around the toes. I decided enough was enough, and that's when the idea for the Ventury Silverlight socks was born. So I went to the lab to create the perfect hiking sock. As hikers, the trail is our lab, and it was here by testing on trails that we developed socks specifically for hikers, addressing common problems that most hikers experience.
We're so confident that these will be the best hiking socks on your feet and in your pack that we have a crazy return policy. If you have any problems at all with your Silverlight socks, you can return them. We'll send you a new pair, no questions asked. But we need your help to get these special socks in the hands and on the feet of hikers around the world. Back us now and receive 20% or more off retail price.
I've always hated pooping in the woods. Losing my balance, hiding in the bushes, it's just been so humiliating. I almost gave up on the woods altogether.
I've tried to take a doo-doo in outhouses, but the flies and the smell, the spiders, so many spiders.
We pretty much just decided to stay home.
Until we found InstaPrivy.
InstaPrivy is a compact, lightweight, portable toilet privacy shelter system. InstaPrivy is ideal for camping, hiking, disaster relief, road trips, military personnel, boating, rafting, and for your child who always forgets to potty before you leave the house. It's quick and easy to use wherever you are. Please use common sense with InstaPrivy. InstaPrivy is not intended for use during a funeral, at your cubicle, or in grandma's kitchen. Side effects may include an increased desire for adventure and lowered anxiety. Sudden feelings of privacy and freedom have been reported while taking a dump in an InstaPrivy. InstaPrivy may not be suitable for everybody. If you find yourself inside an InstaPrivy for more than 20 minutes, you may want to change your dietary habits or consult a doctor.
Not only has InstaPrivy brought us closer to the outdoors, it's brought us closer together.
If you believe that InstaPrivy is right for you, visit Indiegogo today and support the movement.
This is V-TEX, your next favorite everyday shoe. One shoe, 12 features for all seasons. It's a mix of your most comfortable slippers and your favorite outdoor shoe. A sanctuary for your feet, no matter if you're walking around the busy city in the hot summer, exploring nature's wonders in the snow, and everything in between. 12 spectacular features make V-TEX the most advanced all-season nanotech knit shoe ever. Waterproof, breathable nanotech knit, heat-resistant, cold-resistant, antibacterial, stain-proof, ultra-comfortable cloud insole, lightweight, 360 3D knit, sand-proof, wind-proof, vegan-friendly. The V-TEX Cloud lightweight cushioned outsole provides you with optimum flexibility for perfect balance with each stride. Its insole is made up of a fast-recovering memory foam, enhancing comfort and increasing support by naturally forming to your foot. The upper fabric features a uniquely patented 4-layer design in 360 3D knit. The 4-layer design is made up of a breathable nanotech knit, a waterproof moisture-permeable membrane, a soft elastomer layer, and comfort-advancing inner lining. Whether you're dancing in the rain or hiking up a river, the breathable, waterproof design will keep your feet dry and ready to go. The one-of-a-kind nanotech membrane also features over-the-top heat resistance up to 200 degrees Celsius and protection from extreme cold down to minus 15 degrees Celsius, keeping you comfy and cool in the sweaty summer heat and warm and cozy in the frozen winters. It's also stain-proof, so no matter how rugged the adventure, your V-TEX stay looking fresh. Our cloud insole and inner fabric are made with antibacterial materials, keeping out odor-causing bacteria, leaving you stink-free all day long. The combination of antibacterial fabric with breathable nanotech knit allow V-TEX to be worn comfortably with or without socks. We also made V-TEX sand and windproof. Why? Because we can. People said breathable and waterproof were impossible. We said we don't care, and did it anyways. We designed a membrane with a pore size that is smaller than water molecules, but large enough for air to pass through. And with our breathable nanotech outer layer, your feet stay fresh and dry anywhere you go. Check out the rigorous testing we put V-TEX through. Yeah, it really works. But what good is an all-season shoe without style? V-TEX are being offered in different color designs, as well as a high top and super high top look. And we almost forgot, they're vegan made. So whether you're in the rain, snow, heat, or wind, get the most advanced shoe with endless features and push yourself through any season all year long. Get your V-TEX shoes today.
This is the BLITZ 10-toe. a mini pocket knife by Bomber & Company. This is the bigger, beefier, straight-edge edition of Bomber's line of fully concealable pocket knives. Inspired by the infamous B-2 stealth bomber, one of the most innovative warplanes in history, the BLITZ is engineered to the standards of military-grade equipment. At only 3.7 inches in length, the BLITZ is constructed with 440 carbon black stainless steel. This stocky, compact knife is a tiny monster, small enough to carry in a coin pocket, but sturdy enough to take on any task you might throw at it. And like every knife in the company's B2 collection, the BLITZ Straight Edge comes with a full lifetime warranty. It is engineered to withstand years and years of heavy use.